Greetings from Tokyo, Japan. It's Ren. Today, I'm going to introduce you popular capsule toys in Tokyo. Capsule toys are known as Gacha Gacha or Gachapon. Visiting Gachapon stores and collecting favorite items are popular things to do in Japan. There are many different types of Gachapon toys. Some of popular types are anime and manga characters, animals, food items, and limited edition ones. So today, I'm going to try popular food Gachapon. This one dispenses small packs of playing cards. It costs 300 yen. Let's try! The contents of the capsule are random, so you never know what you will get. Let's check inside. Wow! A pack of onigiri playing cards. Onigiri rice balls are a traditional dish found all over Japan. Many rice balls contain rice, a savory filling, and seaweed. Some popular fillings for onigiri are tuna mayonnaise, salmon, and pickled plum. This one is fried rice, tuna mayonnaise, salmon, spicy cut roll, pickled plum, fried chicken, soy marinated egg. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Would you like to collect capsule toys? Please let us know. I have to go now to do my homework. So, see you guys later. See you soon.